Welcome to my chambers. In early January 1973, four events occurred in the same week. President Richard Nixon was re-inaugurated, second term in office. Former President Lyndon B. Johnson died. The United States and North Vietnam signed the Paris Peace Accords, and the Supreme Court legalized abortion. Only the last of those four events is with us today, and it continues to assault the moral and constitutional order. When the Supreme Court legalized abortion, it did so by declaring the baby in the womb to be a non-person. This is reminiscent of an infamous Supreme Court decision that precipitated the Civil War called Dred Scott versus Sanford, in which the Supreme Court declared African Americans to be non-persons. The reason for the declaration of non-personhood is because the Constitution protects persons. The 14th Amendment says the government cannot take life, liberty, or property from persons without a jury trial. And the 13th Amendment says the states cannot permit enslavement or destruction of basic human rights of persons under any circumstances. So how did the court get around these constitutional prohibitions on allowing murder of babies in the womb? By declaring them not to be persons. As a result of that, in 43 years in the United States of America, there have been 44 million abortions. It is today the most frequently performed medical procedure in the land. That's one abortion every minute of every hour of every day since January 1973. How could this be stopped? Well, Congress could enact a simple statute saying the baby in the womb is a person. How could Congress do that? By a majority vote of the House and the Senate and the President signing it. It could have been done when we had pro-life presidents in the White House, Ronald Reagan and George W. Bush, and they had Republican or pro-life majorities in the Congress. Never happened. Legislation never saw the light of day. It's a very, very serious problem. How long can a society last when it allows the killing of the weakest among it? And what class of human beings will the government next declare not to be a person? Welcome to my chambers. Fight the good fight.